Imagine this. You spent years trying to eat healthier. You watch your portions, you try to stay active. Yet every morning, your skin looks a little more tired. Your energy isn't what it used to be, and sleep, restless. Have you ever wondered why, despite all your effort, these signs of aging seem to creep in faster than you expected? What if I told you it may not be your breakfast, not your supplements, not even your exercise routine, but rather the way you eat dinner? Yes, dinner. Because after 50, dinner becomes the most important and often the most dangerous meal of your day. Hi, I'm Dr. Grace, and in today's video, we'll explore 10 dinner mistakes that accelerate aging after 50 and how to fix them. You'll discover how dinner timing affects your metabolism, the foods that silently fuel inflammation, which dinner habits disrupt your skin, your sleep, your heart, and even your brain, and, most importantly, simple, science-backed changes you can make starting tonight to help your body age more beautifully and gracefully. Because here's what I want you to know. After 50, your body's response to food changes dramatically. Hormones shift, insulin sensitivity declines, digestion slows, circadian rhythms weaken, inflammation rises faster with poor choices, and dinner, your last meal before the body's crucial overnight repair cycle, becomes a powerful opportunity to nourish your skin, to promote deeper sleep, to support heart and brain health, to reverse signs of aging, or, if chosen poorly, a hidden accelerator of aging. Sadly, most adults over 50 are unknowingly sabotaging themselves every night through common dinner mistakes. And I see this over and over. The woman who looks in the mirror and wonders why her skin has lost its glow. The man who wakes up groggy, with belly bloat that just won't go away. The couple struggling with restless nights, wondering why their hearts race at 2 a.m. And often, it's because of dinner. What you eat, how you combine foods, when you eat, all of this has a profound effect, especially after 50. But here's the good news. You can change it, starting tonight. And the results? Often dramatic, in just weeks. Skin that looks brighter, energy that returns, sleep that deepens, belly fat that melts, a heart that beats calmly, a brain that feels sharp and focused again. So grab your tea or your morning coffee, get comfortable, because once you understand these 10 common dinner mistakes and how to fix them, you may never look at your evening meal the same way again. And by the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge and tools to help your body age more gracefully, starting with your very next dinner. First, let's understand why dinner, after 50, matters more than ever. You see, when we are young, the body can tolerate dietary mistakes. Our metabolism is faster, hormones are protective, our sleep is deep, regenerative. But after 50, estrogen, testosterone decline, insulin sensitivity weakens, melatonin drops, the digestive system slows, and inflammation increases with age. The body becomes exquisitely sensitive, especially in the evening. Why? Because nighttime is when your body repairs damaged skin collagen, regenerates muscle and bone, clears brain toxins, balances immune function, regulates fat metabolism. If dinner is too heavy, too inflammatory, too late, it disrupts these critical processes. The result? Skin aging faster, belly fat accumulating, brain fog increasing, mood instability, and a higher risk of chronic disease. But if dinner is chosen wisely, it becomes your greatest ally, supporting beauty from within, nourishing your brain and heart, protecting metabolism, helping you sleep deeply so your body can repair. This is the science of dinner for longevity, and it is more powerful than you think. So now, let's begin. What are the 10 most common dinner mistakes that silently accelerate aging after 50? And how can you avoid them so you can thrive? Let's explore. Mistake number 1, coming up next. Let's begin with the first, and one of the most common, dinner mistakes that silently accelerates aging after 50. Mistake number 1, eating heavy red meat dinners too often. Now don't get me wrong, protein is important after 50. We need it for muscle, metabolism, and skin health. But the problem comes when dinner is centered around large portions of heavy red meat, steak, ribs, burgers. Why? Because after 50, stomach acid declines, digestion slows, liver detox pathways slow, gut microbiome becomes more sensitive. A 12-ounce steak dinner at 7:30 p.m. can take hours to break down, disrupting sleep and stressing the liver. Impact on aging: triggers nighttime inflammation, slows skin repair, promotes insulin resistance, burdens liver detox, accelerating fat accumulation. Science says, studies show diets high in heavy red meat, especially in the evening, correlate with higher skin glycation AGEs, poorer sleep quality, increased visceral fat, greater cardiovascular risk. How to fix: shift to leaner proteins at dinner: fish, poultry, plant-based. Keep red meat small, palm-sized. Balance with colorful veggies and olive oil. When my clients make this shift, their skin tone improves, belly fat reduces, sleep deepens. Now on to the second dinner mistake. Mistake number 2, drinking alcohol too close to bedtime. Many believe a glass of wine helps me relax. But after 50, liver clears alcohol more slowly. Alcohol lingers in blood, disrupting REM sleep. Alcohol raises cortisol, promoting belly fat. And worse, alcohol shrinks the hippocampus, memory center of the brain. Science says moderate alcohol within 3 hours of bed disrupts sleep architecture, increases heart rate, and raises dementia risk after 50. How to fix: if drinking, do so with early dinner. Stop alcohol at least 4 hours before sleep. Substitute herbal tea, sparkling water with citrus. Results: improve skin glow, more stable mood, sharper morning cognition. Now let's explore mistake number 3, one that shocks many people. Mistake number 3, combining heavy carbs with fats late at night. Think of pasta with creamy sauce, pizza, bread and butter with cheese. After 50, this combination is dangerous. Blood sugar spikes, insulin surges, driving fat storage. Digestion slows, disrupting overnight repair. Impact on aging: belly fat accumulates, skin ages faster, brain fog increases. Science says heavy carb plus fat meals after 50 increase inflammation, worsen sleep, raise risk of type 2 diabetes. How to fix: choose slow carbs, quinoa, lentils, pair with lean protein and green. In the next section, we'll explore 3 more common dinner mistakes that almost everyone over 50 makes, and how you can easily fix them. Now, let's continue with dinner mistake number 4. One of the biggest traps for busy people over 50 that silently accelerates aging. Mistake number 4, relying on restaurant takeout too often. We all have busy nights, and let's be honest, it's tempting to grab quick takeout. But here's what happens. Restaurant dinners, even those labeled healthy, are often loaded with hidden sodium, low-quality oils, excess sugar in sauces, processed ingredients. Impact on aging: raises blood pressure, increases skin puffiness, promotes abdominal fat, worsens sleep quality. Science says one study showed adults over 50 who rely on takeout 3+ nights a week had 25% higher inflammation markers, 30% poorer sleep quality, accelerated skin aging. How to fix: limit takeout to 1 times a week max. Request light oil, light salt when ordering. Balance takeout with extra greens at home. Results? Skin clarity improves. Belly bloat reduces. Deeper, more restorative sleep. Now, mistake number 5. One that surprises even health-conscious people. Mistake number 5. Skipping dinner or eating very late. Many people think skipping dinner will help with weight control, or busy schedules push dinner to 9 or 10 p.m. But after 50, this backfires. Why? Skipping dinner disrupts blood sugar. Late dinners impair circadian rhythms. Nighttime insulin surges increase belly fat. Late eating worsens sleep quality, accelerating aging. Science says adults over 50 who eat late dinners have higher visceral fat, worse skin hydration, poorer cognitive function next morning. How to fix? Eat a balanced dinner 3 to 4 hours before bedtime. Prioritize lean protein plus colorful veggies. Keep late snacks very light, berries or herbal tea. When my clients adjust this timing, sleep deepens, belly fat reduces, skin looks fresher in the morning. And now, mistake number 6, one of the sneakiest mistakes of all. Mistake number 6, neglecting hydration at dinner. After 50, our thirst signals weaken. Many people eat dinner with little water or only drink alcohol. But dehydration worsens skin aging, raises cortisol, and stresses the heart. Science says hydrated adults over 50 have better skin elasticity, lower heart rates overnight, improved brain function. How to fix? Sip water with dinner, at least 300 milliliters. Limit alcohol, which dehydrates. Herbal. Now, we continue with 4 more common dinner mistakes that almost everyone over 50 makes. These are subtle, easy to overlook, but correcting them can make a profound difference in how you look and feel in just weeks. Let's explore. Mistake number 7, consuming hidden caffeine at dinner. You may think, I don't drink coffee with dinner, I'm fine. But here's the catch. Many common dinner foods and drinks contain hidden caffeine. Dark chocolate, certain green teas, cola, even diet versions, some herbal teas, energy water drops. After 50, caffeine is metabolized more slowly, lingers in the system for hours, disrupts deep sleep, raises cortisol, increases insulin resistance overnight, impact on aging, worsens skin overnight, promotes belly fat, increases brain fog. Science says even 50 milligrams caffeine after 6 p.m. can reduce deep sleep by 50%, increase nighttime heart rate, impair next-day memory recall. How to fix? Stop caffeine intake 6 to 8 hours before bed. Choose caffeine-free herbal teas. If craving chocolate, enjoy in afternoon. Clients often report deeper sleep, more refreshed mornings, brighter skin. Now, mistake number 8, one of the biggest modern traps. Mistake number 8, eating ultra-processed healthy dinners. Many health-conscious people over 50 are now buying frozen plant-based dinners, high-protein microwavable meals, keto-packaged foods. But most are ultra-processed, containing preservatives, emulsifiers, stabilizers, artificial sweeteners. Impact on aging. Disrupts gut microbiome, increases skin glycation, worsens sleep quality, promotes belly fat. Science says ultra-processed meals 3+ nights week increase brain fog, raise belly fat, accelerate skin aging by 20 to 25%. How to fix? Build simple whole food dinners at home. Use convenience foods sparingly and read labels. Choose meals with fewer than 5 whole ingredients. Clients who make this switch report clearer thinking, brighter skin, better digestion, Mistake number 9. A very silent skin ager. Eating low antioxidant dinners. Your skin, brain, and cells face oxidative stress every day. Dinner is a key time to provide antioxidants, but many dinners lack color. Beige meats, white bread, pasta, processed sides. Impact on aging? Increases skin wrinkles, slows collagen repair, accelerates cognitive decline. Science says adults with high antioxidant dinners show slower biological aging, better skin hydration. How to fix? Add color, greens, reds, purples. Use herbs, rosemary, oregano, basil. Cook with extra virgin olive oil. When my clients shift toward colorful dinners, skin glow returns, mood stabilizes, brain fog lifts. Finally, mistake number 10, one of the most overlooked factors of all. Mistake number 10, eating without mindfulness. How you eat, not just what you eat, affects aging. Eating while stressed, eating while watching upsetting news, eating while scrolling the phone. This triggers a sympathetic nervous response, impairs digestion, raises cortisol, worsens sleep, slows skin repair. Science says mindful eaters show lower inflammation, improved mood, better skin clarity, stronger digestion. How to fix? Pause before eating. 1 to 2 slow breaths. Put down the phone. Turn off TV. Savor each bite, slowly. Clients practicing mindful dinners report deeper sleep, less bloating, more stable mood, clearer skin. Summary: mistakes 7 to 10. Hidden caffeine, ultra-processed, healthy meals, low antioxidant dinners, mindless eating. Each silently accelerates aging. But with simple corrections, you can transform your evenings and your vitality after 50.
And in our final section, I'll share a few key takeaways and simple next steps to help you start reversing these mistakes and nourishing your body and mind starting tonight now.
You've discovered the 10 most common dinner mistakes that silently accelerate aging after 50. And more importantly, you've seen how simple it can be to correct them. Because remember, aging is not just about genetics. It's not just about what we inherit. It's about what we choose every single day. And dinner, your last meal before the body's overnight renewal, offers one of the greatest opportunities to support beauty, brain, and body from within. You don't need perfection. One small change, one new habit can make a difference. Adding more color to your dinner plate, shifting meal timing, reducing hidden caffeine, choosing mindful moments at the table. These gentle shifts, done consistently, can help you wake feeling fresher, see skin begin to glow again, feel lighter, sharper, more alive at any age. So my invitation to you, starting tonight, choose one habit to change, one dinner shift to nourish your body instead of accelerating aging, and notice how your body responds. Because after 50, small steps compound quickly. And the reward? A mind that stays clear, a body that feels vibrant, and a beauty that radiates from within, no matter. Every week, we bring you science-backed longevity tips, brain-healthy nutrition, sleep and skin strategies, and simple, actionable ways to age beautifully after 50. And if you'd like to dive deeper, watch our playlist, Longevity Dinner Secrets, linked below and at the end of this video. Together, we can redefine what it means to thrive after 50, gracefully, powerfully, joyfully. Thank you so much for being here, and until next time, I'm Dr. Grace for the Silver Hour.